Welcome back to the channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Today's recipe is going to be garlic shrimp with smoked sausages, and I'm going to serve that on top of a bed of white rice, and then we're going to have some French garlic bread to go along with it. You know, simple, easy meal to prepare. This will be the first time that I ever cook this. Listen, this is like a combination of what my grandmother used to make, you know, when she was here with us, and then, you know, some recipes that I read on the internet. I kind of like just chopped them up, threw them in the blender in my brain, and boom, this is what I come up with. Second of all, listen, I got two different types of shrimp. Now I understand why my grandmother just sit down in front of, with a TV tray in front of her and newspaper. She'd, you know, get the shrimp, she'd clean, watch TV, you know, peel, clean, devein, cut, and do everything she did. I got it. So what I did was, in the beginning, let's see, first thing I did was I bought this size right here. These have already been deveined, you know, split, deveined and everything. All I had to do was just like peel them. I bought 2 pounds of this size. And then as I was passing by the seafood section, like the lady says, you know, she saw the shrimp in my basket. She goes, "Hey, have you ever thought about using this fresh?" And I said, when I looked at it, I was like, "Hey, I don't know too much about, you know, deveining and all that." So she deveined one for me right there behind the counter. And then I decided to buy a pound of that. So I got a total of 3 pounds. Look, here's the size difference. This one right here had to be deveined, you know, and cleaned myself, which I did. And these right here came prepped. Hey, another thing too, expensive, inexpensive. So here you go. Let's move it over this way. Now I got it. There's the camera. All right. One difference is these right here are supposed to be farm raised. And this size here, these are caught in the wild. They say out here that you can taste the difference. We're gonna try both and just see what we come up with. So with that being said, and the beauty of editing, I'm gonna show you how I cut, you know, and devein, and how I peeled the shells, things like that. And then I'm getting ready to prep it, put it together. This dish should be together, I'm thinking, we're gonna try to do it under 10 minutes. Probably to cook the shrimp only take about 3 to 4 minutes, you know? So let's get ready. Let's see what's happening. Let's go. now that we got that prepared, here goes the true test. Let's taste it and see what's going on. Let's just try the shrimp by itself. I might be in the wrong business. Man, you can taste the paprika, the parsley, the red pepper flakes. If I must pat myself on the back, I gotta do it right here. Very, 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 very good. All right, please tell me you like this video. If you do, you new, subscribe, like, and in the comments you can say, hey, why don't you make this? I'll take any suggestions, I'm grasping at straws. And listen, I know my channel says smoking and grilling. It just happened to be that I started my channel while I'm here on the road out here next to DC. I'm in Maryland. Not very professional here. But I'm getting ready to do something about it. I'll be smoking and grilling right out here. And then when I get home, I'm gonna expose my backyard, show you how to get down, West Coast style. Hey,